Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the website and launching developer tools. Press F12. You want to capture live details, so check console and network immediately. Once done, change the user agent briefly to see server responses that reveal platform fingerprints. Make sure to install or enable an HTTP header inspector extension. It helps identify server and framework headers. This first step creates the raw evidence you'll analyze next, so keep tabs on requests and any cookies or meta tags you see. Now you dig into the page source and network responses to spot telltale signs. Search for generator meta tags or HTML comments naming CMS or frameworks, and note script and CSS paths that include platform names. Then inspect response headers. Server and X-powered by often disclose the backend. Once you've mapped resources, look for plugin or theme directories, plus common file names. These reveal versions and ecosystem. Make sure to capture screenshots or HAR export for later cross-checking. You wrap up by corroborating findings. Run an online detector and compare its result with the headers, meta tags, and resource clues you collected. Then try known admin or login paths and inspect sitemap, XML or robots, TXT for framework hints. If results conflict, make sure to repeat requests via a proxy or different browser to avoid cached or masked headers. Troubleshooting tip: if the site hides headers, use a server-side request, curl, or an online header tool to reveal original responses. That usually resolves ambiguity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.